Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute little CurlyCue hair scrunchie. You can use any yarn and hook that you have on hand. I'm using Red Heart Super Saver and an H 5mm crochet hook, and I've got 25 chains already made here. You can make as many or as little as you like depending on how long you want the curlicues. There's no stitch multiple, so it's very easy to adjust. And I'm going to crochet into the back bumps, and I'm going to start into the second chain from hook, and I'm going to work 3 single crochets into each back bump. And you can also do this with half double crochets and double crochets. It'll just be a little bigger, that's all. So that's the first chain, and then the second one, 3 single crochet. And we're just going to keep doing that all the way across until we're at the very end of the chain here. Okay, so this is what it looks like once you get all the way across. As you can see, it's got a nice spiral to it, and you can make it as long or as short as you want. And then the next step is just take your hair scrunchie and join it with a slip stitch. Okay, and then we're just gonna go one more time and fasten it off. Okay, so and then you could add as many of these to the scrunchie as you wanted to. And I'm just gonna go ahead and weave in these ends, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like once it's done. Okay, so and this is what it looks like once all the ends are weaved in. I only did 4 for this scrunchie, but you could add more for a nice full look. You can use one color or use as many as you like for a bright and cheerful summer scrunchie. And you're not just limited to hair scrunchies. You can use these curlicues for hats, headbands, bags, and keychains. And instead of joining the curlicue with a slip stitch, you can fasten it off once complete and then tie it to whatever project you have in mind.